Hello everyone! I want to share my Kimchill story with you. When I was young, my grandmother volunteered in the kitchen of a Buddhist temple in Korea. I liked going to the temple with her, and I still can remember the taste of a water radish kimchi called dongchimi, and that was the best water kimchi I've ever had in my life. I lived with my grandmother as a child. I didn't know that most of the food she cooked for me was based on temple food. Ever since I came to London, I realized vegan kimchi tastes much better than any other kimchi. And that was because I grew up having my grandmother's kimchi. I wanted to learn my grandmother's recipes, which is sadly not possible anymore. So I tried very hard to reproduce my grandmother's kimchi in many ways. I attended a vegan kimchi class, read many books about vegan and temple food, and through lots and lots of practice. Finally, I developed my own vegan kimchi recipe, which is based on my grandmother's. As a child, I enjoyed picking up acorns and collecting mountain vegetables with her. My grandma cooked such simple but really delicious food for me. While she was cooking, I enjoyed watching her. She always said, "You have to think and speak only good things while you are cooking." The secret to good food is to use best ingredients and to season your food with good and happy thoughts. And this is my motto for cooking. I'm not a chef, but I just want to cook something better for my family, friends, and myself. And I want to share my secret to good food as my grandmother taught me. I hope whoever tries kimchi recipes can feel the good and happy thought my food is made with. Chill and eat kimchi.